Hello student, in this class we learn how to use template in 3ds Max. 3ds Max open with default template but it has total 5 template. To access template, go to file menu and then click on the new from template. In this flyout, total 5 template available for use, but 3ds Max open with original startup template. It's a default template. Next template for architectural outdoor rendering, and next to this template for HDRI outdoor rendering. Now I scroll down and this template for studio lighting and last template for underwater scene. By click on a template you can load this. I double click on this template and it takes some time to load. Close this scene converter dialog box. Now I zoom out little bit and press F3 for wireframe. And here you can see a studio setup is ready for rendering. Light and camera is already created. Now I switch to camera view by click on this orthographic camera and two camera is created. So I click on this first one and it's a setup. Now I press Shift Q to render. These templates follow art render workflow, so you have to texture your model with the physical material. It's a result of this template. Now I close this render because it's take long time to final render. So I click on the stop button and close this render. A template saves these informations: display unit and system unit, render and rendering resolution, scene geometry with the animation, the active workspace, the order of rollout in the interface, view cube setting, viewport layout setting, and user path. If you want to create a custom template, first create a scene file and save in the startup template folder. First I reset this file. So I click on the file, reset, and click on the yes button. Now file is reset. Now I open template flyout again. Now I click on the open template manager button. In this template manager flyout, first create a new scene. So click on the add new button. New template add in the bottom. Now I pick scene file. So I click on select button. You can pick scene file from any directory, but default folder available in the C drive. So I click on this PC, C drive, program files, Autodesk, 3ds Max 21, and then click on ENUS folder, and here you can see startup template folder is available here. So double click on this and these are different template folder. You can create a new template folder or you can paste your file in this directory. I cancel this and next to this create a project folder. You can provide project folder path. By default, project folder path available in the My Document 3ds Max folder, and leave these settings as it is. If you want to create this template as a default template, click on the set as default button. If you want to apply a thumbnail for this template, take a screenshot of 3ds Max, or you can manually place a image in the startup template folder and pick by clicking on this button. After make all these changes, click on the done button and you can find your template in this list in the bottom, and your template is ready to use. Now you can create your template. I hope you learned something new in this tutorial. Subscribe my channel for more learning videos. Now I meet you in the next class.